Hello and welcome to Flashback. It's a good time to reflect and think about some of the changes I might make to the way I garden in the new year. My first resolution is to put tools away. Leaving tools out in the rain is never a good idea. The wet and the rain will damage the tools and mean that they won't last as long. My second resolution is to ventilate the greenhouse. I wasn't very good at doing this last winter, and it led to quite a bit of botrytis, which is a white fluffy mold that develops on the leaves of the plant and can weaken the plant and possibly even kill it. So this year I'm going to try to be better at remembering to open the greenhouse in the morning and close it again at night to keep the warmth in. My third resolution is one many gardeners have, and that's to be better at weeding. I have all kinds of areas on the land with brambles, nettles, wildflowers, all the things bugs and wildlife need. So I don't feel too guilty about keeping the area around the house as weed-free as possible. Weeding really is something you should keep on top of, because as soon as a weed becomes established, it can be quite pernicious and take over an area that you want to keep reserved for other plants, and it will weaken those plants because it will potentially outcompete them. Weeding, little and often, that's the way I'm going to try and go in the next year. My next resolution is to buy fewer plants. So I've lost a lot of plants in the last couple of years where I've bought small ones, got excited, planted them out, and then the plants around them have shaded them out and they've died. And so I've just been wasting money. So I want to make an impact, and I want to have plants that are large enough to put in the ground and survive. So I will be buying fewer, smaller plants and using that money saved to buy more larger ones. My final resolution is to toughen up. Being a fair weather gardener means that when the sun shines, I'm out doing all the jobs that I've been putting off. And so I have less time to sit back and enjoy the garden. If I be brave and go out in the rain and garden, then I have more time to enjoy the garden when the sun is shining. Thank you for watching my video. Please click subscribe, and I will hopefully be making lots more videos in the new year. Bye for now.